I recently gave a quick overview of video and SEO, including that classic video sort of Vimeo versus YouTube debate. And following this, we had a lot of questions about the schema side of things and what they are and how to use them. So I've recorded this follow-up with 3 main sort of technical tips and put together a video schema cheat sheet for AI search, including a simple, quick 6-point checklist you can download and use with your dev team or content team. As I've mentioned before, search is shifting from type and scroll as traditional to conversational answers, and video is an important part of this if you want to keep up. The challenge is that AI does not actually watch your video, or not currently. It reads your page and the code behind your page. That means the visible text, a clear transcript and structured data that you provide behind the scenes are what matter if you want to appear in AI answers and those rich results. You need to use what is called JSON-LD structured data on the page to describe the video and the sort of the schema vocabulary. For example, VideoObject is one. There's a description, sort of, you have this JSON-LD, it's sort of in the data, it's in a tag in the code of your page, but it's not JavaScript. When you add accurate JSON plus a transcript, you're actually speaking sort of the machine's language, the AI language, so that they can understand you and they can cite and deep link to your content. There's more about this in the downloadable guide mentioned below if you want a bit more context. All that said, and this will be part of the downloadable guide, the 3 main technical tips you need to follow now to optimize your video and website for AI search in Google are. So I'll say 1 is to create a complete video object. So you need to start with the video object in JSON, and as a minimum you need the name, the thumbnail URL and the upload date. Then you want to add what I class as strong signals. So they're a description, the duration, and either the content URL, which is the actual video file, or the embed URL, which is the player. Ideally though, you do both. And for extra context, if possible, the bots also love in language, some keywords, the about or mentions for the entities, and the publisher and the author, with a sort of visible last reviewed date. If you can keep this consistent with your YouTube metadata, and if you use one or a video sitemap and use that as well, it will really help. Tip 2 is make those key moments really obvious. AI and Google prefer videos that you can deep link into. So if your player supports time parameters, use the SeekToAction schema so that your search results can jump straight to the answer. Or add clip items with a title and a start and a sort of end offset. Mirror those segments as YouTube chapters with clear answer-driven labels, not part 1, 2, 3, actually names that make sense. And 3, give it text to read, because AI reads. You need to add a clean transcript on the page and accurate captions. Also, fix names and terminology across everywhere. This improves understanding, accessibility, and your chances of being quoted. Then, when you're ready, run some quick validation tests. So before you publish, make sure you run the rich results test and sort of know what I call blocking errors. Make sure also that the video bytes are fetchable, don't block the CDN path, and double check that title, duration, and description that they match across the page, the schema, and YouTube. Again, all of this is linked in the document below. 2 issues we see a lot though are actually very quick to fix. They're the missing transcript and people only adding the embed URL and hiding the real file. This hurts previews and key moments, so we don't recommend it. Remember that AI can't see your answers without text. Finally, if you'd like the copy and paste ready JSON to go in your website, again, download the link below. It's got the 6-point schema checklist, and literally you can copy and paste some of it in. This is your chance to help the bots help you and your business, so please get up to speed.